I'm making this video for Triple 2 out of Chicago. This is this Rotor-EZ setup that I put in these control boxes. It's a board, and then I wire it all in. And the main thing with this thing is it's tail twister friendly, because what it does is you move the calibration control, and I'll move it just a little bit to the west. So I go clear over here, then I push the brake button, and you see that light up. Now this light lights up. It does a backstroke because the tail twisters have a different wedge in them, and sometimes they stick, and when they stick they won't turn. So when you apply it and then hit the button, you see it did a little jig jag. Now it's going the other way. The brake is released. That little light turns green when it gets to where it's got to go. It ain't got that far to go, so that's why it's already green. Now the light went out, that means it stopped turning. Now the brake's applied. That's the brake delay, so it won't rip anything apart. And every time that you turn it that way, it does a backstroke. So it will release it just in case there's tension on it. Still, I have a problem with my wedge sticking in this rotor. Now it's turning counterclockwise, and you can see the rotor is turning counterclockwise. Then I let up on it. That's the brake delay. Now I'll go the other way with it. Now it's turning clockwise. Brake is still released, but boom. Now this is hooked up to a PC control, and I can actually point it wherever I want it to go just by the mouse. Do a double click, it does its backstroke. Now it's going down to Australia. This is all through Ham Radio Deluxe. And of course, the center point right there is where I'm at. You go into your GPS. Let's say you want to talk to Alaska. Double click it. Releases the brake. Does a backstroke. Now it's turning up toward Alaska. Pretty cool deal. But I want to mainly show you the backstroke that it does to release the brake, especially for the tail twisters.